Wishing you a good day, dear student. This is Angida from the race classes. Today we are here to discuss the second part of your topic, percentage. In our first part, we have already discussed the introduction and the way of representation of percentage, as well as we have solved the questions related to pictorial representation of percentage along with your conversion of fractions to percentage. Correct, no? Now, in this video, we are going to learn many more topics about that percentage. Apart from that, children, as you can see this question on my screen, this question I have given in the first part of the video where I have taught you about the conversion. And I told you already, if you are going to get this type of problem in mixed fraction, what type of percentage you are going to get. So, I expect the answers from the students in comment section and that I get already, but still it is my duty to explain it properly. Now, I am going to continue with the same. Clear? So, if you are going to get the answer 405 upon 100, in some of the books, children, it is written like this. I have gone through many books, but some of the books, if you are going to get the question like this, so it is written in this form, 405%. Sorry. Clear? Some of the books. If it is written in your book, please consider that answer also. Otherwise, the exact answer for this will be 4.05. When you are dividing 100 with 405, then your answer is what? 4.05. But here you have to convert it to percent. That's why in some of the book, this both parties reference that given. As a reference, they have considered both the parts. So as per me, as per my knowledge, I just considered this answer. But as per the knowledge of some of the books, they have considered this answer. So please don't be confused while dealing with this type of questions. Clear? Now another method I am going to tell you. In previous method, we have just counterbalanced the, you can see in this already we have counterbalanced this 20 to make it 100 by multiplying with 5. Clear? To make this 100 as a denominator. As we discussed already, always in fraction or percentage, the denominator is your 100. So we just balance it to make it 100. But we have another method for this one, children. Now we are going to write once again the topic, convert fractions to percentage, and we are going to do other pattern of questions with method second. Convert fractions to percentages. Fractions to percentages or percentage you will write. Clear? This is your second method. Please mark this second method for you. Clear? First method is to balance that one to make it 100 the denominator part. Now please mark another method with another question. If your question is written like 9 upon 20. This is your fraction. You have to convert into percent. Clear? So what you are going to do, first part, simply you have to multiply with 100%. Without keeping much of your head, you have to multiply this with 100%. When you are going to multiply this, what you will get? You have both the options. Either you can multiply 19 into 100 upon 20%. Clear? Understood? So, this 0 is being cancelled with this one. Please look it carefully. This 0 is cancelled with this 0. And here when you are going to multiply with 2, 2 5s are, we are having what? 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Now when you are multiplying 9 with 5, what you will get as an answer? 45%. Same percent. I think this question I have taken in previous video also. This is your second method, but I just want to counterbalance both the method. Otherwise you will be confused. Ma'am have discussed something else in that and here she is going to discuss something. So this is your second method, children. First method again I am going to explain. Please mark your heading. First method. Clear? In that also your question is given 9 upon 20. And I said the method that please think one number. This always you have to make this denominator 100. So what you will do to make 20 as a 100? So you have only given me the answer that we have to multiply 9 with 5 and 20 with 5. 9 means we will multiply the same number but we have multiplied in denominator. So we multiply 20 with 5 and then we get the denominator as a 100. So here we are getting 9 5s are 45 upon 100 and we get the answer here 45%. Do you get my point? Here also the method is same. Is it clear to you? Understood? Now here answer you are getting also 45%. I'll write directly here. Here also you are getting answer 9 into 5 equal to 45%, and here also you are getting the answer 45%. There is no difference, only the difference of method. Again I will refer one more example to make you more clear about this topic, convert fractions to percentage. Please write the another heading for this one, and your question is given like 3 upon 4. Question is given 3 upon 4. Children, again here 4 is given. This side also I am writing the same question, B part, 3 upon 4. Same question I am taking parallel to make you understand it, the concepts clearly. That's all. Now please keep your eyes. You have to counterbalance this 3 upon 4 and you have to find the answer. What is your first or second method I have taught? Directly you have to multiply with 100. Clear? Directly you have to multiply this number with 100. And while you are going to multiply this number with 100, it's very easy. What you will do? You can write like this. 3 multiplied by 100 upon 4. Clear? Now cancel it out with 4. 4 2 ja 8. When you are dividing 4 with 100, you will get answer 25. 4 2 ja 8. Now 2 carry 4 5 ja 20. Your answer is 25. And at the last step, what you will do? 3 here everywhere your percentage symbol will be there. Please don't forget. Like measurements, we just remember to write unit again and again. Here you have to remember the symbol of percentage. Now 3 multiplied by your 25%. Your answer is what? What is your answer? Okay, your answer is 75%. Your answer is 75% for this one. Again, I am going to circle it out. This is your second method. Now let's move to this part of first method that I have discussed beforehand. In this method, what you have to do? You have to think one number which you are going to multiply 4 times to make the denominator 100. Do you get my point? You have to think a number with which you are multiplying with 4, then you will get the denominator 100. Here you have done that. Here you have divided 24 with 4, then you get it. When you are dividing 4 with 100, you get 25. And when you are going to multiply 25 with 4, what you will get? Very good. So you will get the answer 100. Now what you will do here? You have just forget about numerator part. Please keep your eyes for denominator. That you have to counterbalance and make it as 100. When you are multiplying 4 with which number? 25. What you will get, children? Good job. So you will get 100. Same number you have to multiply here, and I hope the answers are little bit resemblance to you. This is just avoiding. Please erase this. It creates a confusion. Clear? Clear? What you will get? Now 3 whole 25. It can be written as your 75 upon 100. Clear, no? And this 75 upon 100 can be written as directly. Yeah, good. It can be written as your 75%. Clear, no? Easy. Both way the answer is same, only the method is different. So children, as per your comfortability, you have to see which method you are going to apply for. Clear? So please take a click of this one. Then I'll go with another last pattern of this question, where I will discuss the conversion of again this mixed fraction questions I considered, and I'll take that. And then last example I am going to discuss for conversion of fractions to percentage. Clear? Please write it fast. Now next of yours is given. If your question is given like this in fraction form, what is your B1, no? C part. If your question is written 1 whole 1 upon 4. Now what is your job? To convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. You have to multiply between 1 and 4 and then you have to add this number 1. When you are multiplying this with this, what you will get? 4 1 ja 4 plus 1, 5. And here you will get upon 4. Hope it is visible to you. Okay. Now, 4 1 ja 4 plus 1, 5 upon 4. You get the concept, 5 upon 4. Easy for you to understand. Same method we are going to apply. So which number you are going to multiply to make it 100? Here if it is 4 is given, you have multiplied with which number? You have multiplied with 25. Then here also you are going to multiply with the same number, 4 with 25 and 5 with 25. Your answer is what? 125 upon 100. Again, confusion arises. When you have to convert into percentage, directly your answer will be 125%. Another way also I told beta, when you are dividing this with the help of calculator, then you will get the answer 1.25. I said when you have to convert into percentage, you will get 1 to 5% directly. But when you are just use calculator to divide this number, when you are dividing 100 with 1 to 5, then your answer is 1.25. Do you get my point? So please consider it. If it is written to write in percentage, then you have to consider this answer only. Please don't write this type of answer. Because here you have to convert this fractions to percentage. And otherwise, if you are going to divide and write, this will be your answer. But mostly this is not valid. This will be the valid one while dealing with. I hope you understand. This concept is properly clear to you. Now let's move to the other part of yours, that will be conversion of percentage to fraction. Just take a click of this one. Yeah. Now I'm going to write convert percentage to fraction. Now next of yours is given. Here that one is little easy for you to understand here, and you have to do less calculation in this one. Clear, no? Yeah. So mark your heading. Convert percentage to fractions. Clear? Understood? First part of yours is given. If I will take any question, you have to convert the percentage to fraction. If your question is written 12%. What your question is given? 12%. Just give me a couple of minutes. I will drink some water. Please note down the question. Now 12% can be written as 12 upon 100. When you are reducing this symbol, in place of this one, it can be written as 100. Clear? Now you have to reduce this side. You know already this number can be cut also with some of the tables, like when you are going to divide with 2 tables. Now please think, when you are going to divide, then we will get 2 6 are 12 and 2 50 are 100. This when you are dividing, 2 5 are 10 and this 0 is being continued here. Children, I am going to explain in other step, because when I will cut here, you will be confused a little bit. So what we get? We get the here 6 upon 50. I will write little big. You will get here 6 upon 50. Clear? Again, please think. In table of 2 you are getting 6. How many times? 2 3 are 6. And in table of 50, like in table, how many times table you are reading that you will get 50? 25. 25 2 are 50. That means you have to divide that number. Here I have done directly. but we can go with the steps also, that I'll let you know. Here only I'll give 6, 2 3 are 6, and here you can write 25, and you will get the answer 3 upon 25. This is I think I have explained in short form. I'll go with the long form also. Clear? This will be your answer, 3 upon 25. Now in table of 3 you cannot get 25, and in table of 25 you will not get 3. That's why this is your answer, that 12% in fraction can be written as 3 upon 25. Understood? Here I am going to explain in brief. Brief explanation. How I have cut each and every form. Please just take a note of this one. Your heading is brief explanation. Clear? Please draw a straight line so that you will not be confused. Directly how if I'll cut, if I'll see this video, then you will not understand. So if your question is written what? 12%. 12%. Now it can be written as 12 upon 100. Are you sure about it? You are sure for this one? Now can you think any number which one you are going to multiply or divide? Which you are going to multiply or divide with another one? Any number can you guess which will cut 12 also as well as 100 also? Can you guess? Can you guess? You have to divide this with 2. Clear? Now when you are dividing this with 2, what happens? In that case, you will get 2 6 are 12 and 2 50s are 100. Clear, no? Now can you think this number can be reduced to the smallest one? This number can be reduced to the smallest one. This number? Okay. Again I have to divide this with 2. Very good children. I hope you understand this topic. You have to divide with 2 to get that. Just allow me. I'll use another color marker so that you can understand properly. Clear, no? Now just give me a couple of minutes. So, you can see, no? When we are dividing this one, we can use, in table of 2 you are getting 6. How many times? Very good. 3 times. I hope this color is visible to you. Okay. 3 upon, here you will get 25. This color is visible or not? Okay, fine. So I'll use this black color as well. So your answer which you are going to get is 3 upon 25. 3 upon 25. Clear? Understood? Here also your answer is 3 upon 25. Here also your answer is 25. What is the basic difference? The basic difference is nothing. Only here I have done the brief explanation about the topic so that you can understand the concepts properly, children. That is only my purpose behind this. So this 12% can be written as this way also. Clear? So I just want that while you are solving the problems in examinations, you just avoid this shortcut methods. If you know it, you are perfect, then you may go with it. Clear? If you don't know, then do it proper step and then go with it. Now just take a screenshot. 4 or 5 more questions I'll discuss and then we'll just sum up this topic. Clear? Next question of yours is written. Next question of yours is written 5%. 5%. Now again your question arises on your head, what you will do in that case when you are having 5%. Can you guess? Yeah, very easy. You don't have to give your height much. 5 upon 100. Now do you have any table where you are going to divide 5 with 100, then you will get the answer? Because here only number 5 is given. So what you have to do? You have to divide with 5 from both the sides. In numerator also, in denominator also. When you are dividing 5 with 5, what is your answer? 5 1 ja 5. You will get 1. And when you are dividing 5 with 100, you will get 5 2 ja 10. And here 0 will continue. You will get the answer 20. Clear to you? Now this 5% can be written as 1 upon 20. Understood? Clear? Logic is clear to you too? Very good, children. Now next one, if we have C part, if your question is written like this, 66%. What is? 66%. So again, simple way, 66 upon 100. Clear? And when you are going to divide this, now please think a number which will divide this both. If you are going to take 3, it will divide this, but it will not divide this one. Because in table of 3, we are not getting 100. Understood, no? So here we are going to divide once again with 2 in numerator as well as with denominator. Now when you are dividing 2 with this number, what you will get? Any idea? 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6 means 33 2 ja we are getting 66. Your answer is 33 upon. How many times, which table you are reading that you will get 100? 2 times. Yeah, 52 ja 100. You will get here 50 and 33 in numerator and 50 in denominator. Now you see in table of 33 we are not getting 50, in table of 50 we are not getting 33, and there is no common table which can reduce this one. Clear, no? That's why we are going to get the answer. You can write here, this 66% can be written as 66% of yours can be written as 33 upon 50. In which form? Fraction form. Now this is your percentage. Clear? And this is your, this part of yours is your fraction form. Fraction form. Clear to you? Understood? So children, these both topic I have explained in a brief way. Now I leave certain questions that will be done by you as a homework. Then afterwards again I will go with another part of yours, that means conversion of percentage to decimal or conversion of decimal to percentage. Clear, no? So please take click off this one. After that I will give some work. Yeah, after that I will give certain homework that you have to do and give your answers in comment section. I am going to erase this. Your first topic will be this one, convert percentage to fraction. Now write some homework. Mention your heading. Homework. First, 4-4 problem I will give from both. First is your 80%. B, 24%. C, I can take 8%. And D, I can take 36%. You have to convert these percentages to fraction. Clear? Another homework which I am going to give you for this topic will be your second one, that will be convert what? Fractions to percentage. Clear? And your question is given A1, convert fractions to 14 upon, sorry, some questions I will give you from here, that will be your 24 upon 50, B will be your 12 upon 20, C will be your 24 I have given, no? 36 upon 25 and D I'll give you 18 I have not given. Okay, 18 upon 50. Clear? These all are the problems you have to solve with a proper step with brief explanation. Clear? That you have understood, you have to go with this. So children, now I am going to end up this class with the conclusion that I understand that I have explained it properly with all my efforts and knowledge that I have with this topic. You have to practice more and more to make your chapter better, clear, no? So that you can get a good marks in examinations as well. So this is all from my side for this particular topic. We'll have another video for another topic of the same chapter percentage. So I'm going to end up this class, children. Enjoy your day. Thank you. Have a nice day.